Are you a homeowner or business that is in need of custom pattern and mold making, or CNC machining, welding, or fabrication services? If you have a project that you want to bring to life, you need help from the best in the business. Hi, I'm Darren Dickensheets, your community realtor and your host of Explore My Town, Hanover, PA. One company in Hanover is the best at problem solving on a variety of all kinds of different projects. They also work very closely with you to ensure that every project is a success. Welcome to DeLaro Machine and Fabrication. My town is your town, so let's explore together. I'm here today with Dale Eiler. He is the owner here at DeLaro Machine and Fabrication. And Dale, thank you so much for having us here today.
You're welcome.
Absolutely, man, my pleasure. Can you tell us a little bit about the different types of projects you take on here?
Sure. Well, what we do is we are a custom manufacturer. People commonly call this a job shop or a machine shop. And so we do everything that's based on the customer's needs. So you might have something that's real simple that the person comes and wants to make a custom shelf bracket, or maybe they need a part for their mower. Or we may have something that's complex. Some of the large companies around Hanover may come here and they want us to make a piece of equipment or build a custom piece of machinery.
So Dale, can you tell us a little bit about how you guys got started here?
Sure, yeah. Well, back in about 2005, I started doing some little projects for some friends of mine, some little craft items, and I started working out of a 12 by 16 storage shed.
Wow.
And then I kind of grew after that, and then I built a garage and I started working out. Then I ended up buying another building here in Hanover, and I was still doing this part-time. I still had a full-time job. Then 2014 came along, and the company that I was working for, they got really slow, and I ended up being laid off. So then I had a decision to make. Well, what should I do? Should I go full-time in my business, or should I look for another job? So I decided to take a chance on it, and I went full-time. And so since 2014, we've been working full-time in the business, and we've grown since then. And today we just keep taking on new projects.
That's awesome, Dale. And it all started out of a 12 by 16 shed.
12 by 16 storage shed.
That is awesome, man. So Dale, would you mind showing us some of the projects you've recently completed around here?
Sure, yeah, come on in.
Awesome, let's do it.
This is a piece of lawn furniture. When it first came to us, we had a lot of rust and the paint was blistered. So what we did is we sandblasted this, and then we repowder coated, and you can see how it came out. Everything's nice and smooth, and we're able to get it looking back to the original condition. These are some examples of some of the machining we do. You can see this was started out as a solid block of aluminum, and we had to machine this particular configuration into that material. And this was a piece of aluminum tubing, and so we drilled the holes in. It's the same all the way around. So we had to cut it to size, and then we drilled in the holes. And this was kind of like the same thing. This was something where we cut the shape out. We did that on our router, CNC router. And then we were able to put all the holes in here. We drilled and tapped these holes, and then we were able to engrave the part number. You can see there, that was engraved the part number on there as well.
Nice. So Dale, what can you tell us about this?
Okay, well, this is a X-ray shielding device. The doctor would stand inside of this device here, and it's covered with like a lead shielding material to keep the X-rays from coming up and hitting the doctor. And what we did is we started out with the customer, working with our CAD system, and we're able to develop the basic design here. And then after we came over the design, we started fabricating this. We were able to bend our tubing and do the welding and all the different other operations on this. And it worked out pretty good. They seem to be happy with this. And actually, we'll go up and down if we pull these things here. So
wow.
It adjusts for the different heights that the doctors may have.
Really neat piece. So Dale, I know you guys take on all kinds of different projects here. Can you share with us, do you guys have any area that you specialize in? Or?
Well, I think because we do all kinds of custom work, we end up being specialists in just about every category you can think of.
Yeah.
I think one of the things where one of our strong points is that we are problem solvers. We find that the customer comes to us and they want help with making, producing something. So we solved the problem. We may not know at the time how to do it, but through research and just plain hard work, we can figure out how to help them with their projects.
That's awesome. So it's a lot more than just machining. It's a lot that goes into
true,
it. Yeah, that's awesome.
Hey, if you're looking for a good real estate agent, give my friend Darren Dickensheets a call. He's with Remax, and he can help you out with real estate needs.
No matter what kind of project you have, big or small, bring it to DeLaro and they will bring it to life. They are located on 800 York Street right here in Hanover. You can stop in, call, or email them with any questions about your project and they will be happy to help you. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, if there's ever anything in the world I can do for you, please feel free to reach out.